Hi, welcome to BAS121, Section 71. My name is Gerald Belton. I'll be your instructor. Uh, we will have a Teams meeting every Thursday in this class, but I just wanted to give you a little information to help you get started. First day of class is Monday, so you can get a lot done before that first Teams meeting. Again, my name is Gerald Belton. A little bit about me. I'm an adjunct instructor, which means I work for the college part-time. My full-time job is with the state health plan, where I'm a business intelligence developer, which basically means doing data research and building dashboards and visualizations for the state health plan, which provides insurance, medical insurance for state employees, teachers, some municipal employees around the state. We have 2 million members, so it's a lot of data. And it's a really interesting job. And a lot of the tools that I use in my job every day are the ones we're going to be learning in this class, although, well, let me back up. About the class, this class really functions on 2 different levels. So level 1, it's about Tableau, the software Tableau, which is used for creating visualizations. It's not the one I use at work every day. What I use at work every day is Power BI, but most of the skills are the same. So at one level, this is about what do I click in Tableau to create this kind of a visualization. It's mechanical. And that's really the easy part. The more interesting part, and the second level this operates on, is what makes a good visualization. There's, we've seen some ugly visualizations out there, and I want to show you how to create visualizations that are not ugly, that convey the information efficiently. And one of the things we're going to use for that is our textbook, which is, let me share my screen. Here we go. Trying to see if I got a cover here. Storytelling with Data, a visualization guide for business professionals. This is going to be our textbook. It's an electronic textbook. It's online. There's a link within the course showing you how to get access to it. There's the cover, Storytelling with Data. And it's a really good book. It's designed not for computer professionals. It's designed for like business analysts to be able to create better visualizations, since that's an important part of what everybody has to do these days. And it's really a great textbook. I can't recommend it highly enough, and I'm glad that we're using it here. Again, I'm an adjunct, so I didn't get to make this decision, but I'm glad that that's what they decided. It's a great textbook. So let me just give you a quick tour of the classroom. For some of you, this may be your first online class. Let me change this to just the screen. I think I did that right. Let me see. That's just me. That should be just the screen, although I'm still seeing myself on there, so I don't know. Anyway, here's the first thing you will see when you log into the classroom, and the first thing on this menu is Course Entry Quiz. This is very important. If your course begins March 7th, that's us, and ends May 10th, 2022, the deadline for the Course Entry Quiz is March 10th, 2022. That is very important. If you do not take the Course Entry Quiz by midnight on March the 10th, you will be dropped from the course. No question about it, and after it happens, there's nothing I can do about it. I cannot undo that action. So take the Course Entry Quiz. Now, important to note, don't spend a lot of time on the Course Entry Quiz. It doesn't count for anything. You have to take it to show that you're here, that you're in the classroom. but there's no minimum score on it. So just open it, answer a couple of questions, save it, close it, submit it. It's not, your score on it makes no difference. Nobody's going to look at it. It doesn't affect your grade. Now, on the other hand, there's also the academic integrity agreement, which you must take. Whoops, and it's not there. I got to fix that. And I will fix it before the class starts. So the academic integrity agreement, you have to, it's only 2 questions. You have to answer both questions correctly before you can progress in the class. There are folders that won't open until you do those. Then the announcements, again, this is where you start every time, and you must have found it because you're watching this, which is posted as an announcement. There's a getting started menu, which will tell you what you need to do. Oops, I need to edit that. It still has Alice Tom's name on it. This was copied over from an earlier course. And I'm doing this in January, and the course doesn't start till March, so I haven't finished editing everything that needs to be edited here. But anyway, course entry quiz and academic integrity agreement, verify your Wake Tech email account. This is important. By the rules of the college, if you email me from your Gmail account or some other account, I'm not allowed to respond. I'm only allowed to use your course, your Wake Tech email when we communicate about this account. So do that. Familiarize yourself with the Blackboard site, which is kind of what we're doing. The syllabus is available for you. You should read it. And then click on the Lessons tab. The Lessons tab is going to have, there's the Academic Integrity Agreement, and that one's actually there. Then week 0 is the first week, starts on March 7th, goes through March 13th. There's not a whole lot to do in week 0. There's a discussion board. There is a brief quiz. You should read Chapter 1 of Storytelling with Data before you attempt the quiz. There's some supplemental materials that you might want to download and get used to, to get you familiar with the Tableau from the very beginning. There's some books that are also available. But again, the most important thing in week 0 is just quiz 1, do the discussion board, take the course entry quiz, take the academic integrity agreement. And you probably can't see, you won't be able to, ooh, that's adaptive release. I need to fix that. You should see that. A lot of these things, you notice they say adaptive release. Adaptive release means I can see them and you can't. And you will be able to see them after you take the course entry quiz, and not before. Anyway, that should be enough to get you started. Our class meets on Thursdays via Teams at 6:10 p.m. It goes to 7:35 p.m. Probably will take a little break in the middle. But that, in a nutshell, that's enough to get you started. Again, I just want to encourage you, if you've never done data visualization before, it's not rocket science. It's pretty easy. Tableau is an easy program to learn. I'm kind of glad we're using that. I use Power BI at work, and I think Tableau is much easier to learn. I'm trying to think anything else I need to tell you. Okay, I guess that's it for now. You can see my office assistant back there behind me on the chair. Which one is that? That's Bruce. There's another one named Misty that might be around sometime. You probably will see them during classes. Hopefully they won't be too distracting. So that's it. Enjoy the course, learn a lot, and let's have some fun during the class sessions.